Hello and assalamu alaikum, friends. Welcome to Smart Wealth Hub. I'm Umar, and today, we're diving into something powerful yet simple, wealth management secrets that anyone can start using, even if they're starting with limited money. Join me on this journey and let's find out, can these small strategies really help us get rich? Have you ever felt like you're earning, but not growing financially? Maybe you save a little, but it never feels like enough? You're not alone. Most people miss out on wealth-building opportunities, not because they don't earn enough, but because they don't know how to manage what they already have. That changes today. Many people struggle with their finances because they don't know where to start, feel overwhelmed by financial planning, or wrongly believe that they need a lot of money to begin. But the truth is, you can start managing your money effectively with whatever you have. The secret lies in being consistent and making smart choices. The first secret is financial literacy. If you don't understand money, you can't manage it. Learn basic concepts like budgeting, saving, investing, credit, and interest rates. You don't need a degree, just curiosity and willingness to learn. You can start with free YouTube videos, financial blogs like ours, or beginner-friendly books like The Richest Man in Babylon or I Will Teach You to Be Rich. The second secret is budgeting. Budgeting isn't boring, it's empowering. A simple income versus expenses breakdown can help you track where your money goes, set limits for wants versus needs, and remember, budgeting is not about restricting fun, it's about taking control of your finances. Third, start investing early, even with small amounts. Don't wait until you have more, just start and stay consistent. Use beginner-friendly apps for mutual funds, SIPs, or index funds. Learn about compounding, the idea that your money earns money while you sleep. For example, saving just 5,000 rupees monthly with a 10% annual return can grow into more than 10 rupees lakhs in 10 to 12 years. Finally, financial habits are more powerful than financial luck. Build routines like saving before spending, automating your savings or investments, reviewing your budget regularly, and avoiding impulse purchases. Small habits done consistently lead to big results over time. To summarize, start with what you have, keep learning, save wisely, invest smartly, and stay consistent. These are the true secrets to building lasting wealth slowly but surely. If this helped you, please like the video, subscribe for more tips, and share your own money saving or investing habit in the comments. And don't forget to check out our next video, Top 3 Beginner-Friendly Investment Strategies in Pakistan. See you there.